Assalamu alaikum bade wono ngammo be konton wato nal konton wala anal bade manon Suleiman Jam na channel auto mengira politico bantaba momo ben follow kan na YouTube channel auto isi subscribe ya share ya like
bi be seworim baake bare miro fanan jamfata dalilo mi yatina miro jamfata ni kacha kumasta albe wollon nale inshallah rabbi. Yes brother alaji ala baraka baake yo bi mbenga jele on the 3rd of August United Democratic Party a convention baake in the city of Seattle, Washington, in USA. Gambia Dingulu, they flew from everywhere in the world. They flew everywhere in the world, from Africa, Europe, America, in Atabeng, in Seattle under the leadership of Sedi Cisse. But follow. And say, Dua Bage UDP la fallen hero solier. UDP la fallen hero solu. And say, Due nge remember na salolu kono, na kachalu kono, na badiyal kono, nse remember Bage. Nse Dua na patiola alfalu fanalu minuli alonko ibe baluring ibe mfe ibe tetela ibe nyato ibe yamarla nse duwe Bake under the leadership of His Excellency Honorable Ousainou A&M Darboe. Kaji Council of Elders Kang under the leadership of Ba Ansou Sonko. Under the leadership of Ba Ansou Sonko, nse duwe Bake. Nse duana mbama nyolye, minketa ajiyam seka, ajiyam ndauge yabo, ajisukaina ka, mba Adam Bawolu, His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe la musufulolu fanal fangolu. Nse dua Bake yakumba jete wolye, ngadua Binta Touré wolye, ngadua Binta Senghor wolye, ngadua UDP la momo sibo janke wolu, mbari muso awatambedu wolu. Nse duwe Bake na UDP muso mamilu tofu fango mbal telema. Why? UDP is party of the people. Dalila Jumala atina. Sizla, ela force comment ngal na avec la minti nak. Ela force comment. Ngalo na avec la minti. Yalo ni Manchester je ka terrify le. Imagine. Ngalo ni Manchester je ka terrify le. Bawzenu be Manchester le Sizla. Wala na tombon sedi mbading mba sambala na kota dek ibaduro party leader is Manchester. So mamilu tofo UDP kono mbal telephone kontonka alse katu nak kolleben United Democratic Party a formta mbenyin karo min kono 1996 Sambi UDP by la bad day sort of la koteke. Inshallah, alama imbe tarabaluri. Biri UDP formed. There was no sponsor. All milia form. Gelo mu ikumasta kakodo la nyoka. Kakodo la nyoka. Yaje Gambia, ntelu mbilifta minna. Wala atina nin wuluta na alfalu e kan kulli yen samba sunnol to yen bulolu safe yen samba karambungolu to walla daralu to pour kan karandi fanam pour nga kulongoke so pour mil malon nse londala yalo ni ni mi ye bolon kono ke ni mi ye bolon kono ke kaaje e kamolu samba nu jujuoto do bolon kono kol ba fala wanato ka molu samba jujuoto wanato bar modolu hani tata o jujoni wanato ila kulongo buka wara baake alsi hekatu baake lamin jaybe o molle kono lamin jay bar mina lamin jay la kono bar folo mbedduna UDP la tarken din kono tarkan din doro nguna ben camera for storm la kelma ale ka dun tella jang kabrin kunun suto e camera storm wala be kere malon fo sisla England fana be wala nyama ba fonyo sembo war nyambak so bare mbeddu na UDP la tarkan dinne kono dron bawo birin alpha le UDP form e man sponsor soto in fact biribe UDP form la doliye la mol kumandi la koy kana mabe because famfala lo muiti ya itandiko nal mabe ta nyinto nyin sojarol milbe mararole isal be soron wala yal be fa doliye la molu widrondi UDP be form la 1996 His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe was not in present. By then, he was the Vice President, Gambia Olympic Association on Yinkono. He was in Atlanta. UDP mo jamale approach nous pour que leadership o di la bari molma allow iman song. Because of the fear amanke ko mambanko kanu de bari silata eniola we sacrifice who His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe ya contact he was outside anata itandiko mbe mbatu ninata nganna mol consult a consultation okay a very touching story famofo ako bira nata abitala pour kala mol ka consultation okay ana badingulu moya approach jara soma ako hani biya bu kanyina wala wonata kay ko telom Ousainou Darboe da kay kana molu jamfa and saying this word is in his head kay kana molu jamfa ako je famoto amang futala mol la ka consultation o ke bar je famoto ate famo damala consent ala mind made because of that man la approach mbafala baw sene abaraka baki so biriya UDP form iko sign tapanso dum bar jumal le ya form because ye PPP ban ne ye NCP ban ye GPP ban PPP was His Excellency Sir Dawda Kairaba Jawara. NCP was His Excellency Sirif Mustafa Diba. GPP was His Excellency Andrews Kamara, Hassan Musa Kamara. B. Nilul Mantra Baluri. Nilul Mantra Baluri. Alinga duwe nemo nin kafarola. So bring a party of form. Kode table. Nothing absolutely. E ko bar party o bukatano fengo koma. For the start, e kumasta kela kodo landi basoka. Nimiye Dallas Town sota landi basoka. Nimiye Kemo sota landi basoka. Nimiye Wulikilin sota landi basoka. Thank you. Mr. Michael Jatta, we are not concerned whether URR has 1 million voters or they don't have 1 million voters. URR is part of Gambia. UDP Mobukela tax dealer. They have no business how they get their money. Is the citizens who want to salvage the country. To salvage the country. Let the people of URR join UDP to salvage the country. Niamo ibe salo fankela no jama to Cairo le bankoka. Yalo ye asafele no ngalai, but you are becoming too much as if you are trying Kamoli intimidate because of Barrow is from URR, so UDP be kodole use la URR kang to get the people of URR. Altel be bata amin kono je jumala be okono. You people are swimming inside Allah Silol Beketa Rivati. So, Niamo ebe Salla, Cairo lebe Bangkoka. Obviously, Niamo ebe Salla, Cairo lebe Bangkoka. Yala aliamira ko dino muminta, alman dino long. Alman dino long freng. Ali alfam keko, momo e wuli. Ntelenga moli je janne, ikata kombo, ika jaman la planol muta. Jaman planol, akatare bulo kono. Ikoy kata jama lol lela ikoy kata ikata misiru lol lela ikoy kata karambul lol la ya fake long. URR should join the people of Gambia to rescue Gambia. It doesn't matter. Hani yarda sadamu sadality. Jama is a blessing. It's a house of blessing. Bari ala kuma dantane fode yalo niman dino loy malo ala ko ni domoro lota konko bela salwato sita ko e domoro ke folo. You know that? Akoni salwato sita domoro lota konko bela domoro. So purisalo wanyama nita malo. And ito fango e ka spell nyami intel Gambia intel buka Jatta spell thing. In Gambia we don't spell Jatta like this. Ha, until buka Jatta spell in Gambia like this. Malum foi mu Senegalese Gambian ultiba, I don't understand. Because yes ate o min fango fo jay ko malum sutukunding malo be damim fo kantoralom fo wulilom fo muntolom. But the people of Basse, we remember you, we cherish you, we celebrate you people. So if you want a better Gambia, isaje Cairo etra jamaoto momo tata jamaoto yes sali fo salo wato mindiate yela wato bekeje ye dua Cairo le kawo saabuna Kairate Gambia. So let the people of Basse join Gambia to rescue Gambia. Okay, Mr. Jatta, thank you very much. Abaraka. Seri Pabo nge konton bake, tida nge konton Sister Jare sana nge konton bake. Okay, UDP is sita. Ba Amadou Sane ala kodo bonda ya landi. Ba Alaji Modou Sane ala kodo bonda ya landi. Ba Lamin Dambondi ba ala kodo bonda ya landi. Aji am Seka ala kodo bonda ya landi. Aji am Ndaw Yabo ala kodo bonda ya landi. Baso kan. Bangan Sunding Ketawol. Ba Job Kantewol. Aja Jambandi wolu desan. Allahu Akbar. Ndefan Obama Sadio Kunjan Sane wolu. Abu Karamba wolu yela nafulo bondi domandingo min be bulu yalandi yani arab al barakake iko mbe nyim min bondi la mbake la nyim patiyo la koto alama nyim patiyo barakala iko alama nyim patiyo barakala Alaji e ba Jallo Sane wolu. Thank you very much Nkoroma Lamental. May their souls rest in perfect peace. Minule alonko de baluringa. Baraka bake Aja Fati. Yela kodolu landi. Komi momi yalonka manta juju oto de mbe wole mbe pour ka wole hakilo bulandi Lamin Ndiaye. Pour danko drong ese history lon doman din din munamu UDP bari wo kono businessman wol sotota minuli ya lonko ima hani ka finti ibe maborin ila fita silan kanaka dende UDP la kela man nafulo dundi UDP kunto UDP koy hani nalbe nafulo dundi la UDP kunta be Sénégal pour Lamin Ndiaye bawete man ta kaseoto yaje alsi hakatude because Lamin Ndiaye ila kuobe tambikan we know ko say you are in America go and work on your asylum tell asylum procedures ke because hani atre 5 years visa la soto America you are entitled to stay for 6 months and go out yes you can come back but you need to go out ni overstay America forget it let me tell you that yes Ntelibe ni visa le nata tubabudu birin nata expire we seek asylum. Yes, go and seek your asylum. Make your asylum procedures. So birin kebal ko ngani kodo na fulo min landi. Alama nyim patio barakala. Alama wo mari digol mil botantel bala yen keta nyim patio to. Allahu akbar. Bi Umar Fati le Aja Fati le Jare Sane le Tida Minte le Nte Musa Sedi le Sisla Jadama le Sana Jaju le Yankuba Dabo le Talib Bensouda le Roy Malik Lo le Landin Sane le ñi bela alfal benu UDP le Abubakar Sidiki Jamme le Pata PJ le Mboj Sedi Kan le Bob Touré le Mafode Cham le Aminata Ba le ñil bela alfal benu UDP le ñilla alfal biri pareta bungo kono ye duake pareta e fintita molkan ye kruo ki alfal ye sate kono banko beka e ko de ha nga patiyole lo bari Jawara la duño beje concept patiyo ñillo na ñaton ko ala natan dema mbenta ka loya dabole tambindi bara man banko kan bare biringa kumo futandi sa Dawda Kairaba Jawarama in fact amandan ka foko sign normalie mo tombo bara ko alta noma kana kanalla anata letaro le lawo ka hadi oje jallola oje la fo den tema wol letaro je bar oje wolef Jumaro Usenu Daboti. He's a barrister, he's a solicitor, a constitutional lawyer. A former Solicitor General during Jawara's time, and he resigned. He resigned. RESIGNED. He resigned. Why? Because he said there was a lot of corruption in that government. Jawara, you are a good man, but there is a lot of corruption in the government. Lawyer Dabo ako ate do ko kenola wo nyama. Chamam believe corruption. So biri bota o meeting odo ye kuruoki banko bekan. kayitandi banko dingol la kayitandi lalumol la kayitandi majlisol la kata sirif kundal to ka dum banku din kendolu kan imanjutu ka foko karimu murun tewleti ifutata murun tewlu malaka bunya foye ala ye mo miliyalon kay lanjuro le kan ala ma bondi kan ifutata fuaro luma ima jube ko itala bungo kono basole bijeye ifutata fuaro luma e ko bari alangan ke ku fankamal tode katum la fita nyimu fuaro la patiole ti banku dimul la patiolo mu ni fankamalu nate laftela nafulo dunaje e laftala nyamin telu lafta ntel lafta silo minna askeno tel mala fo silo la isentel samba sila doka ko hani ni momo be la kodo dundila je mu businessman o lafta la senea munati ne be kodo dundi kanja la ko ko je inata futa marché wol biri ya fo mbamali dolu be panketu wa fol dolu ye kanjolu landi dolu ye netatuwolu landi yela kufo fonko nafa nafa ya yele dolu yela fan couple fring because ka kodo ke wolto ya sidi dalasi lulu dalasi kaytolu dolu fan ka woledi dalasi kaytolu dolu ka woledi 10 dalasi ni mi ye 10 dalasi o di famo ikete jubele ko ni ko di bale di jam $10. This is how UDP registered their party. Lamin Jai, mbe sindi la baso kan ngemurundi kasewoto. Pour ke sindi wanato kantarlali na ye kulongo foye. Ite tulu na nyinke balade. You insulted our people yesterday. Yaje ila alfa kendo letin telte wol nenna. Ye Gambia je momo be nyim punchum panchamala abuta alfa kendo bala wala nante alfa mu nogo area lati nta kuma fola wolma bari ta mum fula wolti dol sege isike no dol do ma di dole ke kototi so mbaytan lelala ko nite birita tata nite manta jujuoto mbe murundi la nan jujuoto le la minin jay ha mbe murundi la nan jujuoto le so this is a culture in UDP. Just a brief history of UDP. Purkawo Foye. How UDP is up to today. We are not the richest political party in the Gambia, but we are the most moral party in the whole West Africa. Purkawo Foye, bro. Morality is in that party. Munabe Jarela Aminata Baye to pay a flight of less than $800 or even more than $800. She flew over how many hours to the Seattle, Washington? Purkada fundraising. You want to downplay that? Munabe Jarela Mbari Mso Mimbota France. Ani mimbota Switzerland, ani milbota na Africa. Milfangol be America J. They are working to put food on the table. Doliela awasol le cancel volume. They said, let's go and salvage our country. Let's put what our fathers and mothers tell us to do. Birinte bama ka dalasi lulo landi. Do bama ka dalasi tangol landi. Do bama ka dalaso landi. Ye muy yamaro mindin tella wolo nyintiko. Ah, political party onata nga tonyale jeje nga sobe yale jeje nga ni tenkungole jeje nga bankola kanoni bankola nyato tala jeje altel mil mun dingoti laftali abula nyi lunoma. Ngoy bismillah. Ntalla kango sosola. Bara aliya kumo follow min nal ko tonya kan ngoy bismillah ntalla kumo soso je ndel fanal nyaay na men wo politiko kono ngani alpha kallanke wala je nyaato ngani alpha kallanke wala je nyaato nyi alpha sobe wolu ntella alfaali min fo ñenna kuwoto naata fenje je fan ite le min tu kooma je nkonga bula wolu nooma ibe kuwo kuto mbe woleto i man nantel tuje nse kulombaliya kuwo be kela alse kadu de nse kulombaliya kuwo be kela ibe tetela ibe yamarla ibe kuma kendo be fola molyem tuloba moyla UDP dingule wuli iko nga min taram falu nga min taram balla mbe wolle jo seyla yela kodolu la nyoka ye minke in America minke the father of the night is my biological uncle Ansu Sonko na biological uncle la manke unextended today mbasi mane alkanyi mbasi mane minje UDP mbasi mane mbambasi ndel ka fayla mbambasi ndo malum abuluba hawa Sonko mba hawa Sonko mbalum abe maberi mbe ngonyindu abiye. So the father of the night had made me a proud nephew and a UDPian. Ansu Sonko. Not biological uncle. My father is a very good friend. No, my Muna Fati of my father is a party to this is that. GMC. My father is a good friend of my uncle. What want to attack him? Yes, Byro. So Sontera Alpha Letata J. They make me proud. You know how many people Minulia Lonko Itata Nyindulato. Let's say Sariam Marom. Saria UDP Ketale. Fadumata Joma Kamara. A UDP Ketale. But ikafengo Ketale ni aje ko tonyati je se bono atole kodi bari nga tonyale je amanke dina tide. But UDP is a moral political party. It's not a rich party. It is rich in morality. It is rich in ethics. It's a symbolic party in the region of West Africa. Nganyum kumo mo jamale kafo. But I supported Mbemo Killing single out Lajan to support that person. Sena Bombay Lundolo ma fintita. Ngaje is it ngaje nung TikTok or real something like that. She was talking about Fenke Samba, Fat Samba, Alamani Monin Kafaro Kelai. Sorry, Pa Oz. I do not want to remind you of your trauma. But Fat Samba is Gambian Fat Samba. Senambaya kuma killing for ako. Gambians don't celebrate their people until they perish. This is true. Go. You see this Usain Dabo? It's an icon. It's a legend, living legend. Nimi malom altala alfal nyininkade walatina do not go aggressive on Usain Dabo because munom mo jama biye ayla alfal rescue. He's a lawyer. The lawyer who will not defend you ni tonya table. Kafoko droiba jola kodola aye defend no. The lawyer who would never defend a drug cartel. Some lawyers are happy for drug cartel later because they pay them a lot of money. This man is a very sincere and ethical man. He is not greedy. And Ntalu, we will never leave him to walk alone. Yes. We will never let him walk alone. So the UDP Diaspora Fundraising Committee, under the leadership of Bob Toure, mba tentula bake mba jaila anala molu be with the deputy Aminata Bakani, anila molu be brother MB Kurubali. We have seen Yekolu Minulke. We have seen how professional they did the thing. Jali Seattle nsa tentu bake nga jai. A UDP T-shirt was sold for $500. This is a souvenir. Mbafola aja jomaiko. Nyin T-shirt ta ya sakila bungo kono. Ni sake no frame kono frame. Ake frame kono ya sakila bungo kono. It's a souvenir. Aja Joma doesn't buy this T-shirt pour kafuko abadu nale. Aminata Ba bought it for $200. She doesn't buy that T-shirt kafuka abadu $200. If she goes to Chinatown in New York, Aminata Ba would have carried 3 suitcases full of suitcases with T-shirts. These are souvenirs. I'm going to talk to her. Mbafulai ko taya ke fonko kono, frame kono, aike souvenir ti la bungo kono. Don't wear it. It's souvenir. Ila dingolu, wolu dingolu have to see what Aminata Ba have done for the country. This is a part of your history, Sister Aminata Ba. Alima. Alela oke sutunum. Ayebusi nala sa ngawole ci. Nfangola Alim. Sa yo guys segu ye kutunala. Segu marena. Nibe futala loya sisla jada mayale. Inshallah rabbi. Sisla mun della loya. Alda loya nyinola. Malal be loya juma barista sisla. Wo mun della loya. Ngal konto way Alima family be konto nyeman. So the UDP Diaspora Executive the UDP Diaspora Executive Mbal Tentula Bake Mbal Jaila under the leadership of Mbocheri Khan. Thank you very much, Tida Cisse, for the reminder. Enila Cisse Kundangaya Be. Yeah, sister, so you will not take the challenge because Alima is your sister. You see? Sister, no. Mbela loyal Lansino, mba for a Maribaroya table. Thank you very much, Sister Tida Cisse, Jenaba Mas. Motola katakuo underestimate nola UDP kono. Sister Jenaba Mas is just Jenaba Mas. Mo bela Jenaba Mas with the wallahi. The UDP executive is all fanal tentu bake. Niaje mbe bausenu mba fala ko wuli keba ka wuli ndala dimba ya koto. Sisla resend again. Ka wuli ndala dimba ya koto. I play nota I na America anala dimba ya koto ke. Miliboko Bamba Tumbali Suda, London Sane, fenke jaabi min bota nan passé sisla yo yeah
Sa,
na
akalin dani ko dong, no? Kaya mo na UDP platform.
bare
Nimbida France po. Nimbida France, nimbida Arsenal dani ko sa nadabo. Nga sa mga presento, laba dun. Mabon naman yan.
no bare baro Arsenal le dabul dar
Mabon na. Bila, wala malakan niyo kuya. Wala siya. Wala talang detaraje. Yan dia mo tara ko pindayo to.
ya berarti amantara Arsenal fan birin dabo ko be Manchester on ra ko barngata Arsenal
Manona Arsenal, you know. So amina naka abita naka Arsenal to support lang.
exactly anil lamin sadamol
I only mean, you know. Man, musa ibe program be interesting niyo kuma kendol me fokante.
very much thank you
Ola na musa 19 nol me mati la Facebook oto nyin flag bera ko nyanta ka tenku. Musa ni aji genau mas nol amina ba nyol kamen ke patio e. Ibe daring. Ite ma ka mo la Facebook. In flag bera no fence dia mo le. But amina ba je this is the second time. Aba UDP la fonko attend la.
in what
Yeah. Obiara ko European kada America is not easy.
it's not easy no
So, you know, General Mas dinana da UDP la ko la General Mas ka ko do mbonde mo be yalo you know.
terrible
Abuka diam. Kita jelo Facebook no sense diam la you know. So wala na you know in do ke no be in social media diam la teng talibule mu tiang ko le mu na ke fango di rohile na flag berati teng ala fo teng ko.
wallahi
UDP party with the principle. Dolga voltara in alfa la in congress de mentombo nga blano ka. Blano. Ani honorable dawo fanga fola ta fanga impose la molka. Ni mol man dafa. Anana mo okay. Mo be aron neko. So sometimes I get pissed off because ngaje la ko imang lo adabo ima respect.
Wallahi.
No, because lumena fama kerfado I interview got kerfado. I see a lot of people the comment was disgusting.
Yeah.
Ito ko la nyatong ko ito ko mo mula nyatong ko la party leader. Obe interview la fa be comment la fa Talib is going to be the best leader Talib yanks ni.
Wallahi.
What kind of ito ko yo mari respect.
Call
him your party leader?
Talib ni Yankuba will ko indile ko.
Exactly.
So, you know, crazy.
You know what I mean? In congressman from Seattle, they kaji dolbe Talib sia, dolbe Indonesia, ibuka Indonesia. What? We touch local party click. Huh?
Wallahi.
Division na fela mo la party ro. Le party me alam ko boy party alfal.
Be kanyi mbeke be celebrate, mbeke be la. Yeah, you know.
Exactly. And all in the you know, there will be one UDP, touch one, touch all.
Wallahi.
You know, but there are few people in this party. Many are going to nothing, but I don't want to work. We will never allow them.
Inshallah, at the work.
You know, imang UDP cut. UDP the Nicole Dum, but imang UDP cut. Na kuntra man tafu they will all vote. And men kan kafa. Ini outside al kambe ika camp. Eka union UDP culture. Moment yalon ko anana mala fi UDP anana la fi moment ka ko amala fa la nyaron ko la nale abon lembe you know it kayu la ngam sometimes musan ka kafa man you know
no it's disgusting there
you know mo fonka lo ka fale ko mala fa la nyaron ko way mo na means be yalon ko mala ne ko mala fo am jara ngata auto be yalon ne yeah so I told no kana tenke Musa nya talib kala talib tibi
yeah
UDP ndolla kati yangs dawo the same thing Rohi Malik lo the same thing ite campaign nyela meo karre fa Brazil ndolle campaign men ka nyinde ite you know so wala nante ndabuka nte yangs Talib Rohi o ndata silala mola o ngamal mola ka tonya fo
wallahi ngo malo me
because you are not paying my bill ndala ka campaign ka le ku nga campaign ka le yalla alla campaign time so itol ya ko in le ko they are not problem but men be no men ke funk man ko itol le be in campol different campol they are the problem
yes
and we see them on social media So nga fo ko yes sabari.
But ni ala kititala, this is going to be a very good opportunity for every UDPian.
Yes.
In forming the caring, it will unify UDP. You know how?
Yes.
Sizzla.
Mhm.
Wallahi. Ninkeba. Alna bulano maba. Yalon debu kala kumo be for la social media because you ini mode tabla kelola e kala mistake of fire.
Yes.
It's going to be an eye opener for him.
Yes.
Mimbe caring Gambia B.
Mhm.
Wallahi problem to UDP. Alhamdulillah, UDP dingolu sotota.
No problem to yeah. Men social media to only kind no
Presidential candidate. Musa Sedi Sikeno presidential candidate. Jare Sanes presidential candidate. Modo Sikeno presidential candidate. But party dol kono wolma woso.
Yes.
Nyimu ala tentu balati de. Bari bi mbe bi minto bi. Problem o mimbe NPP. Wallahi ni nkol ya long. Ntelu bendela. Problem to you. Problem.
Musa, problem be MPP nyanya.
Ha.
Very rare MPP nkol na social media kanyo attack.
Ibu kanyo attack. No. Hani
wa follow la audio le I think but kana social media to control back kanya the UDP, you know? It's not right.
Exactly.
It is time we make a stop on it.
Yaje Sizzla, yes sir. Wala na Bausenu is a legend. Bausenu lota ko. Okay, Sizzla ferenda jolonda. Bausenu ko ako Yankuba Dabo, chairman Yankuba Dabo e kumalefo. Ako chairman Yankuba Dabo ko. Don't steal, don't lie. Ako this is the mantra of UDP. This is the motto, the new motto of UDP. And this has been in UDP's manifesto. Because Yankuba is a bona fide UDPian. UDP yellow like a bora balajato kono. Yankuba Dabo. He said this. But UDP call kawata, ikapare kenyo UDP ko castigata la kununga modo leje tole olo moti ba mtemalo Umar Bun. Itenente baby party killing. Thinking that that's supposed to be directed to Barrow and his cartels. Ngamirete nyanda kontan nolan. Ikana iko support lenyini. Iba fola bayo sonko iko. Hai moli nenyi narjane. Wa intenga nyimfo. Afelendu usenda abokote. You see the prematureness of some of the people. Wala tinante nteni UDP nkodu se loba nkonka nyole sababa. For what purpose? A UDP? No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't go so low to do that. But Sizzla be kuma arimbara kono. Sizzla is
so no while jolonda.
Okay. You call
sorry,
back again. Oh, it's okay. You back again.
Yeah, so all problem we have to na mo leven tekang, you know. Amantara right double fintra na diamuta. Ofo nyanta UDP kono fa momo ko ite party yon kan ye double respect. You know, you can stop. So I told it's okay for Kwani Campbell men, which Mbealon ko Campbell Mansoro UDP, and there will be no camp in UDP. Nimenke Vonene or Nyabe Bully, camp to start UDP. And it all enough for 2026. If a dream and let the dream continue. It all IGM second diam Dalako, Dabo is our candidate.
Exactly.
And Dabo is our candidate. So it is time, you do the Dabo let presidential candidate in 2026. Nime malafuol. It is the first patiolo. He left a melon die.
That's it.
A real UDP cow.
Yaraka choose Congress or leto.
Yes.
Now what Peter? They will choose the flag bearer. Nimodo Yajeko. Yemusa Arati. UDP Sonta Musala unanimously. It'll be UDP Bula, but Musa or the UDP Bula.
Exactly. A real UDP co UDP Bula.
No way. No way.
Many UDP, many found many UDP, many UDP then called do you found many UDP la fatarol. I don't UDP code, I think UDP then called is different.
Wallahi.
It's different, Musa.
wallahi
Yes, and Abakwela 2026.
inshallah rabbi.
We are watching. So, until for Lerek, it will let them continue what they are doing. Niman la fika stop, man da respect. Because Kajale Katara Safron Melda, I now be interview like Kerfado found. I see a lot of disrespect comment from our own UDPians.
Yeah.
You know, Talib is the leader. Talib is the leader. Who told you that Talib is gonna be our flag
Very
bearer? Who told you that Youngster is gonna be our flag bearer? Who told you that Roy is gonna be our flag bearer?
wallahi. Very
You know,
wallahi.
Ika ni Youngster project ko fenge. Even we came from one Talib company. Ibu kasong kasia. Ibu Youngster na fongoto. You know what I mean? You know, it's disgusting, man.
Ridiculous.
Huh?
Yankuba Dabola Dogo is a good name for UDP. More we get a UDP la fongo be Yankuba Dabo reference la. Bi Yankuba Dabo. Mbenga je janne. Nyinko Yankuba Dabo minketa.
Yeah.
Yankuba Dabo paid scholarship for students.
Exactly.
Fire your UDP called neighbor.
Exactly.
Did he call ko nimbe scholarship for dila mola? It has to be a criteria ko itenyanta UDP la membership card or soto. Ali alone ne Yankuba Dawo scholarship for the NPP dindi jella.
I know.
You know, so UDP nteluben na sewo bunne, what we need to do is that ko nyantale dorong nga Cairo sabatin dinda maulu tema.
Exactly. But disrespect nga chebal na nila sol nga bla ke disrespect on media.
Disagree chale.
Yes.
Agree. But woman yanati nan la ko nga fitino soto because woma tinan la fananko nte Musa ninta ko lafta Mustafa Susolela. That doesn't mean ko sisla manke mo kendoti. Honey. That doesn't mean that. So mimbi je wolom nyinti ko nte la flag biara sip 2021 womu lawyer Usenu Dabolete and he is the party leader. So 2026 ni procedures sita. The same procedures molbita wala whoever become the flag bearer until UDP dingul babla wala noma and we going to campaign.
Some of these people they are stupid because Talib make it very clear according to Dawo. So when you keep fighting.
Okay, Mana Cham, UDP is not the solution. Who is the solution now? This is why we are bringing this discussion. You can also send join. Who is the solution? Who is the solution here? So I think Joe Farms, that one, the privacy, you never know until a document will be done. You don't know.
Musa. No, nako ke la kadiso na venyo kanyare na ke wala.
No, but
ato bolas kanso ya kaza na akadisto nako
soro. You
know, ana fa me das mo ya fa ma soro ya kaza. Nako abula yala kambula ata hi mola weekend ona en kon ma vla manna.
Ya wala mo so solution. You can join, come in. Alkaka Mabo, we are talking about Gambia. If you want a change, I was engaging with one guy. Na mokende balum Gambia.
Yeah.
The UDP la. But bi somanda na be diamola. Mbe fenne diamuka. Akonyo ko Musa jambe nyaming is too terrible. Nkai ko mbe minkela. Nkai ko mbe minkela. Ninang alkal loya dabo bal carte wala al malo because inate min fal tele nka kal akonyo ko bar this time ndel be kato di la UDP la because munom akonyo nyim banko be nyam banko man tata ku kam molu mbe molle fasa kan itele be famo enrich kan ndel be fa kam foire yala because aka metro minke akonyo ko ninga cash power san ikanyin nangam le bondije ngai ko ikamano sanjel muna ni tara loptani ka jararo sotor ba ko hani ngai fo baro
exactly Musa after every fan can take kampa Musa ika finale da wot ga ni man kata fa UDP Gambia sofa UDP da ma sofa
thank you go ya ko man $20,000 about
Yeah. 2021 bila ni 2021 botala jwala be kumbo la fo UDP damala kumbo.
Thank you.
You know, so ni kadiamu yak let them kato ya di barola 2026. Who cares?
Thank you.
Don't let party leader is lawyer damu.
Yeah.
No kuyata me ye kono fa, you know.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
ni me lafte la kato ya di barola. Ni Gambia ni baro kanyeta. Gambia be sofala not UDP.
Exactly.
You know. Maybe kumbo la my Marcelo da man ka UDP ngat. So bankola bata out na UDP damaka. So ni la fe kato ya di barola. That's their problem. But it's a follow it na ikafon to leko aljanta metongola la party leader, you know.
Yeah.
You someone trying to la party ko la faka design to la party. Who are you?
Whatever, they can in their ideas very ibakela hormone mbunyala kono etente lakke ba
No, they cannot even they have no right to say that Musa mental la party ko.
Exactly.
You know?
Ngo min fama biye.
You know? Yeah.
Quality be mo balatel kamin be foko min sikeno UDP la presidential candidate. Wol be o quality karal loya da
UDP do le fa right to the cover. Outside me e ko la party on. E ko le ke do di da dundi mo la leaders. Ita ko man la fi UDP. Ha? Sa ita ka mule fenga bisin to la party netamente mo.
Yalo inaftale kanda mawlu distract kanda
Exactly.
andi nyola andum domandi be succeed la wala.
Yeah.
yo ya ngoy madam Cisse moyle ago subo 1 kilo meat and bone 450 euro dollars 400 dollars 450 dollars
Cement ba ko ngama say ko 500
wolu ngadi ngamole je ay fenne bondi num Facebook
so cement ba ko you for you living called damal ka bungulo gambe.
Thank you
You know? They are very stupid sometimes, you know, because we are living there.
I fenne bondi num on Facebook.
Yeah.
Sa Dauda Yaya Baro ay mburo ay is it $3 ay mburu kumo bonde ay mburota for Sa Dauda Yaya ay for $5 le landi ay mburu kumota anata for Baro ay $10 so landi ikay ko handi $12 lom e $12 so landi. This is a very very educative fonko video I minke what because near
my sister ko ako cemento 550, you know.
550.
Madam Cisse, yeah.
Just crazy. Nita nyanta bungo lola. Ita nyanta bungo lola. Ita nyanta bungo lola. Bungo mi ya lonko. Ita nyanta 6,000 blocks la use la. A bag of cement is only $550. $1,000. Ita be bag cement di bodo killing na shotla auto. $1,000.
Exactly.
So ita nyanta anu ni lafta cement kendola block kendola blocko because bunjam blocko different inches long. Ita lafta block kendola. One bag of cement at least yafo ko maybe malafi more than 25 blocks la. Ni lafta but time people will go for maybe 40 blocks with one bag of cement ni hani e bloko chikare ka be tay ita ko be bungo la wol
Exactly. On camera so UDP damala bungulo kan Gambia ko.
Thank you mo jamala bun lo barbaro na ni baro bina bullo la sai Muhammad Jabe cemento maybe 2,000 bag of cement ba fandila moto ko na sambaye wo 2,000 bag of cement Muhammad Jabi na wo koloni wo profito be bon laltel Gambia dingul le court.
Exactly.
Del fuarol court. Because munom ika president so cemento la ya so kenyola ya so basalla ya so berola ya so rotola ya so fengo bela. But ite la nyanta mbunno ka tarasulen kan e kan fang bungo kono. You don't even have ite buka hanin wa kalo fang so do no be min lalaka. Wa
Iko kata bula barol no make support.
Ikata bula barol no.
Yeah. Well, from the sofa kan, you know? Nsa.
Yo yaje Cisse kunango itel particular to domoro la Gambia nak. Subo kilo fonye Seku Cisse fanamfela ko. Today I come across a video fees cost of $12,000 to $14,000 is sad. Which average Gambian can afford that? Segu mba fole ko tanje na kilian balle be oto. Ntamin ka diamte ni tanje nkolu na client balle bije andu dol beje e kan jubele ni atam be fan yara folaja nte nindada Gambia every 2 or 3 days nkata nye sangola badato nsafuro every week nkata nye sangola tanje badato tanje
yeah
ninga fo esisla ete believe la nena nga nyewo san tanje nata birim ko namuso ko ngani nangam le sang I don't want to say the ngam min san nyola mol sita mira fallo mbalialo bar birin kay ko ngani ne san nyola he was kind of angry ngai hanide ngai dingole en sandal because ntenga nyewo sanne fom pareta ndada moto bar birimbe findila birimbe bola moto kono ngakodo do bondile ngake na moto la kapeto koto bar yar fandingo engel tislan tata nga nyewo san musona tambay ndi fo moto ko nyambaringe itambitan tela itata nyewo san dulado nkai ko tonyalo mun kai tambita moja malla manyewo san dulabero nkai ko hako boendinye bar nga nyew sanne oreda ko nyoko ntede ni mamma ko ya felenti so kuta domor fante ya it was so touching so sad
because you can see Marcelo sometimes on kila bukana yeah
domor fante ya lafta nga nyewle wafu
yeah
mfana ngata tabiro ke so kon anka bar ntenga nyew san mufta nadin su gudo naran ayen sawa ay batle fo mbota muso bala akonye baba akonye ko do mintu moto kono lu
yeah
ngago ha bar nga nyew sanne already akonye ko ha bar baba ni na nyew san nte balo fa
yeah I feel you know yeah
billahi ay ni na fon ngago ay moto chabo di ala tata because ha jala nga ko do kedam arara ko mamuso nyini nkafan ila nyew be mu jal ntanga ko do be nkon ndingo ka bi adia ay ko do nyimbe muso ni ye samul ta ke fonko kon wallahi birin da su ko na muso go ni ngani nangam le sanya she was kind of angry because I feel kon tata ko di tinyawol bar birin nga explain ay ga ko nye wo betato
yeah because tol kasi Marcelo le kada e kasi Marcelo le fotilo boy buka wa fro
fotilo boy buka fe soto no
yeah it's sad man so Gambia
nimfutata na because nintata nika kachaba nin tata je na hanabe wandi nye wasala sola na nyainge akanala akala fongol fay na foko na ko tego kana di mo because na client lo long time na meta nyobul atel kan na ñew be topoto abu kan caaj tous fereng abu kan caaj fenna you know
sister ya abis na be France na kena France na be
Gambia musolu iba katakan so
na partner in crime lam ya abis
anga
twin sister na twin bakaw sister lam
o mande ya abis wo mun tedam malla sister
no nda twin solam na twin partner in crime
adeleka fa bu butongo lo ni fa
ay jaw fa bu wala nak na sister
Sister, UDP is the solution. Because UDP, fuaro lela na fulo dundi UDP kundo iko alama barako kela na nying patriot. Fuaro. Yaya Jammeh, how many times was my lawyer Dabo approach to get him in his government? Lawyer Dabo Yaya Jammeh la first Justice Minister Yaya Jammeh min nominate. Amanso. The same lawyer Dabo resigned from Sadauda Kairaba Jawarala government as Solicitor General. The same lawyer Dabo Sadauda MC Chamle Kiakang Akaiko lefta ya diama lefta kela Anthony Generality, Minister of Justice. Dabo Manson atata la private practice ke. Ite mune quality je Talib Bala, Yankuba Bala, or whoever ite kamumofo lawyer Dabo man quality min soto ikana nyaku ni talakano lade. This is the man
It's even disrespect to say that, you know, from our own UDPians, you know. Yeah.
But I said, good afternoon, guys. Musa and Sisla, I agree. You all, no one go to the market right on your UDP. Thank you, sister. Whatever, then I nde baloka fa Gambia nkole bake andu Sisla yalon te ninde dara Gambia. What would you be doing? Intercandiul Sambanos, Nintabe leave for a Gambia Namus of Garanos, Intercandiul, Gate Kanye Sambanos, and Nufranos. Sisla Bilai Musol Milbenos, they give me chance, put Dr. Lienge, no soul ending all day. Wallahi. Musol, yeah, it will okay, cut reading not like Jandroy K. will not young. Well, I felt Kemalina. Allow for Alman time also, I'll do delay, someone. So, Ngata Marcel, Nenadara Marcel. Wolo na muso ka be supale tabila na do ma do tata je sai wo be America tata marso serekunda yo so mo be Joshua Sisla birum futata marso do super wolo ko ako super na super baga sol sang nga fongol sa sonko mbadunga tulise nimbe tulise sana rek nga oke 5 liter bidon so Sisla
ya dafa ni da maso da buka Adam Barot ita mo la ko be samusa nyo ka di
concliano be mo yalla de ba so tenin ko wala nan tane Adama te benno la because
Musa Barot fo dia kate ka $150,000 boy a day
Gambia taxpayer bala faale soto
Gambia taxpayer ko halija ko halija UK jam Buckingham Palace fam bu ko don it's more than 3,000 pound amam bala faale soto because munon problem odi muna na biri lawyer Dabo benu vice president yala ya fay ko anyanta 5 mbindano le soto la andu ya itandi ko nyanta la clothing allowance kala le nyanta nyala akwa mansula bela yalo way boke kamusa yalo way yok ila flaka pa bi nyin nondi ala ko ata nondi la
bara man sonde
you know why ye ko bel try pour ka nondi bar ala ko ata nondi la yalo ala ko moment no la no matter no te ñine evil plan sul be try lo da ko kam pour ka nondi musa
nte bi ning min diamuta comme malaf kala siofo bari alhamdulillah rabbil alamin wallahi ay asola ko ñuko musa akonyo ko tonya lawyer Dabo ko ñuko mori ñanta chance di la sai nkay ko aluna chance di ala because munon problem o mune yatinna sanji tan saba mo kilimo be fen ñinin nal bulu barala opponentol nene ma faali ko ay corruption wala ke amambete ka kuma kili ka wala dundal tulo kono rek aliota altel be min fe wala min be banko sambala ñata ko ñeko ha a kalita nya ko ngina ndel bebe carte o
musa hani ma di Dabo fon la last time la way mu def kalfat la fon ko dako ni ma di la Alifa Sallah be ya di Alifa Sallah ni koy banko la je why buka vote Alifa Sallah
exactly pale lota jande Halifa ko ako ate fon la supportal le ka fate ko tonya last time man carte o dila because zilatal ni nga dila num lawyer Dabo be gagner nga di baro
look at that asidia
very
ndeta sodla do fanan kana soto banko ti ay manke bari be ko kanje ndaka wala foy UDP dama bugata marché
ako is an insult ninga carte o di teranum lawyer Dabo be gagner la wala tinanga di barola andum baro was not their choice tel ko baro man bete a baro mano berbi wala ko imagine
nyaje non UDP sol mi alan ko outside le bina Facebook ba fala ko ha tal to mora yang stombo ya je na UDP dingol fon nyato
dingol
te tendem
exactly
yala mod ne te ya musa ka foy ko ali nyinga waje nyato no so mod tente ay ka fonye ko Allah da moto yala mo fa ci te ita sibolo ita ma ka UDP kati e kan de ka fonye ko al nyanta men fen kala pa la jela image but yala na mul fon la ke entertain
operation le kumasi
yeah
operation o do mbede fa on da dundi la je mbe mo jama da dundi la ko kono le sisa jare wolu mo jamalu mbe mo le normala mi ya lonko alhamdulillah mbe nga kata bake na nyomoy nga make sure ko nga fana natina on board patio Gambia dingul be tara ku kilingo kundo wala mu Esa Bokar Si nga sambana nga diamay
nga diama e bankola intereso because kunungala interview la moy andunte mala kin follow wallet
and King Jovis New York City nga fa la fe UDP King
Ibe nala
King dañ la isi UDP the King
Dagora
na ko to kelew na King Jovis
no Jovis is a sound guy.
It's a true shooter. I like him, you know. Yeah.
He knows for the country. He lives in this state, so he knows what is for the country. You know, Master, I say so no me for UDP ma. Sisla Jadama, Jumale Neneba Folako, you've seen Musa on the social media, not all social media malabe molu nenk.
Nobody.
So when wala niko UDP can nendro, UDP can nendro me for UDP ma. Wolo mi ka tonya minfo because nin tonya le kan dimi
exactly
ikamolu so do Gambia mbele be kala kilingoti we fought because banko already have a criminal law and
ne ka tonya fo ya remember no before long time ago ela sister Fatou Camara
ha
akontalam keep insulted in UDP because nkato yala ni kato ya fo ka vole ko nyinka mole nek
ibuka mo
anu toya keso toya fo nga toya fo nyoe mali toya fo ntere avoka tere atinya
nde wadu mon dani Bob Touré
nde when you come to lawyer dabo I don't compromise
wadu mo lawyer
I will never compromise
at Camara al wadu mo so janin tabe nsimu jindra na la ron kar nga kije ko boycott continues
yes
so lawyer dole bi jakal sama ko ñoko Musa ni wulta soma ndanka fo bi malo Musa mu ne safel ngay ko ako ñoko al sabari sa ngay
and ya no boycott time ila friend nafiko sabala en text la ko ñoko lion ako ñoko alen boycott be la ke hit kan la ko la hit kan leke ako sa ila ke ila friend
na friend
ako ñoko al text of la murja ako ñoko alen boycott abanda ako nya ba finish kan la ko nya kana easy la ko nya la hit kan leke wala ninga no sa is idiot
ndenga lonne andu wala ndenga fo mole ngoy ko Pat Camara we don't hate her it's very simple ite wandi alfa ne la platform moto ya feel ko mole o jindi te ko te jila ite na feel ko wodingul yen muru te la platform moto ko ke
exactly yeah respect exactly
we don't hate her ntel be duala mina Pat Camara ala television station o soto abe gambe non le employ la
yeah
you understand but ita fola ko
nata no for affair but ala network is bias ate masakunda ni UDP masakunda na iba vile for nyinta la platform so we don't need those kind of people in the society they are the problems
you cannot yala le de
I know
ya allocate la anu Fat Camara is qualify pour ka o keno so because o keno
exactly
ni te asoto ite manyana asoto la imanyana Fat Camara fansun keno soto la so and we cannot dia
which is corruption
ita
ko journalist o ko do ani 40 million me atala medial team
thank you
you know so ite am revetil na nyadi ite masakunda na tane ite ko journalist ite doko no hanye to yaje ka to nya falendi fongola bo you know so that's very sad that's why we have problem with her we don't
Birako nae pare nati lota ya jamme nyaro ka faile la bada so munyin kolaldi
tela fo de ndawa fo de
no bara fo le ofo afo yalo ndelo
freedom yes ngori membale no
afo le ofo de ako ko foi kun la fanuda ngai
kin na manyo le ne kin ga kana telefono kin Jovis
Fat Camara la sinsi do kunda
Guy, kinna manual, king got the food, you know. Yeah, Musa, but you know, Musa, to be honest, Gambia, Africa, Seattle, Banco, Ola no Banco, pride, and out of our collar, you know. If in Lord, I would tell you because Lord, our manding called.
Paratala Carola back.
This the problem. All more Damalam, they can fight one. Oh, you can lead a dual fight. Ali Vasala be video as lead can since 1987.
No. 1978, 79.
Video as why would 1987.
Hani 70s kola.
Yeah. So ibuke moy ka ko ali fasalle ji mo do sel ibuke moy.
It's the oldest political party.
It's only UDP is the only political party me ale ka ko ala leader falling because na leader munati Mandinko and they have problem with Mandinko. Nina mtonyati. Alante mo ke Dakar me nanda ka olefo.
Nobody sees la wolo mu tonyati.
In fact, yeah.
Okay,
It's all about tribalism.
7, you are right. You are right.
Yeah, 87 now, yeah. 87 now. So Alifa party will lead ka since that year. Then UDP fang yato UDP ma wulu follow. But when I look for Alifa Eji,
Wallahi.
Ni party dolombe party leader so libuka mo like afo ala leader so fali.
No, but yalo
UDP right.
Man tariko long. Yalo niafo ndeka mo modor fang. Yalo Gambia, we have to learn and we have to accept Niman Fem long. You have to accept. You cannot know everything. Thank you, Uncle. Yaje, you opposition leader. Ikafoko ha womanya na folako baro man nyana tala tatam la munat na ofon man som puriate falling. François Mitterrand of France. Europe banku jumale democratic ta France.
Exactly.
François Mitterrand, how many years he was looking to be the president of France? A la 5th time lo manata so. 4th or 5th time lo manata so.
Yeah.
Mane.
Small brother.
Mane.
New York
City.
New York. King, look at them laws in Congress.
They were the best lovers.
Yo.
Thank you.
Mr. Seri, Bumla Sonal, Fatu Wayam la, Fatu Reklam Nok. Pare yow Sisla Njumanga, yow luta ñewlana.
Liking, I'm a living man. Holiday.
No guy ñoo la waroon a jox pass dafa seer yow woof nga ñu jox la. UDP dañ nay nak.
Suma cousin sister mu ngi on foofu daf ma represent foofu.
Ay dégal mu ne suma cousin sister daf ma represent. Yow looy wax ni faada. Sa cousin sister di Gambian boo xamantene bossi Gambian yi boppam la.
Waaw fii la jógee UK fii la jógee mu dem foofu mu dem Seattle.
Yow gëmloo ma ne da ngaa ñëw dama waroon a tukki sa yow yaa tax ma fooma.
Yeah. No kin na la ñëw seet
suma trip bi de dégg
no yow kin na la ñëw seet especially no in New York City.
Waaw loolu nga war a def na Mr. Seydi ñu ngi laa nuyu.
Thank you very much, bro. Nice. Welcome.
Fan nga nekk yaa ngi America ndax yaa ngi Europe.
No, maa ngi Europe. I'm in Ireland.
Oh, you're in Ireland. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
King. Yaa ngi fresh foofu de yaa ngi enjoy the king ah. Man oto nga nekk di dawal ni.
No lii la BMW bi suma benn moto waay la rek dama ko kii man
suma waay
man duuma nit moto ñun rasta lañ ñun struggle lañ xam nga.
No, I know king loolu mooy tax ma respect la
moto bi moom man duuma nit moto sax laay guma moto.
King yes so yow king dama la bëgg a laaj benn question king yow loo gisee wax bi because ñun suñ parti leader bi dafa fekk ne nit yi they have problem with it Halifa Sallah is leading since 1987 you know what I mean but nobody complain about Halifa Sallah the leadership have to change PDOIs but the only party they have problem king more UDP rek UDP dafa war a wàcc yow loo gisee wax bi king
It's very sensitive there though. But again, I'm mangi nuyu ñu fa nekk yëpp, especially audience yeeg UDP followers yi. Dëgg la UDP c'est mighty party, parti bu mag la. I mean ñu leen respect yëpp nit yi lañ respect du UDP sax. Ñu bari ñu ngi dugg UDP di business gis naa leen because UDP suñ la followee xam nga following bi dafa heavy. And I believe ne xëy na deep down in the heart ku mel ni man xam nga man faalewu man ma am benn following amuma ko suma yoon. Man lu ma def du change. And all of that. But all I know, Gambia force more important than a party's, follow a party leader or stuff like that. Lawyer Dabo, well, man, recently, man, is a very healthy person. I mean, he talk well. I mean, he is educated, could focus, calm. I mean, mag degala, but situation. Bini ka Akbaro, so fake na lawyer Dabo, mun na masig na man jobs. Man ma andag mom. Man dangin ma deglu buba. Mr. Seydi bi bu ma si mune gene. Ma ànd ak moom yow boo ma si génne ndax Badama Barrow nekkut fa yow nekkut fa te nit yi dañ foog ne mu ngi fa Barrow ati jee nekkut fa so ñun problème bi lañ am So UDP nak am nga yu bari yu nekk si biir. I mean, the divide and all of that, they are part of this Talib and the others are there. But then again, they listen to Talib deep down, they would understand that Talib is, still very loyal to the dad. It's a pro, Dabo, and I believe that Talib neku niko amantini. That they jump out, the betray, and all of that. So let's just listen to the bigger man, that's Dabo himself.
Yes.
Whenever he's ready to hand the party to whoever. Well, it's up to the people to follow or not. But until then, man, I'm going to just have to, entitle him as the party leader and the party whatever.
Exactly. But
so winning election, that will become a president. Man, I will be better, man. They're not better because he will listen. Again, he wouldn't see me like somebody who might have some type of agenda to sabotage or to break down his government.
That was very democratic, yeah.
They also feel that he's been in the game for so long. Bufeke Halifa, they feel that he is tired and he should retire, and Dabo feel like he's still gonna have to move. In the former Senegalese president Wada, have hustled and have struggled a lot. At the end, he was able to at least get a couple times, and is now being given the very good feedback about his presidency. As you know, Awaji now wanted the phone very well in terms of infrastructure. Bringing money in Senegal and all of that. With all the ages and stuff that people put it in and stuff. I believe in Dabo, Dabo, with the Talib and the group that you guys feel like they are intellect and they have Gambia at heart. Gambia at heart, nekune Gambia da fly defaral care.
Yeah.
Gambia at heart, minuna Gambia da fly job free waiver. Gambia at heart, minuna da fly wara def ambassador or some type. Nañ di jema jël dëkk bi joko ñoo xamantene seen expertise moo oote liggéey boobu nga xam ne they have asked for seen jànga dafa war a represent liggéey boobu leen te ñu nekk ñu mandu nekk doom yoo xam ne duñ doomi sàcca waaye jamono bi maay wax ak yéen yaa ngi jur doomi sàcca ci Gambia bi.
Thank you.
waaw loolu moo am pour en ku ko faa baakoo nag di foog ne is normal is not when you die sa doom mu dem ñu ne waaw dafa inherit kër boobu noonu fekk këri Gambia la. That is bad. Yo, Denga. We don't have time to live here longer. You understand? Let's leave a great mark, great foot mark, Bohamantini, Elek, Niti Munko Jol, the Wasinyo. The likes of Mandela, likes of all of those, Mabunga Wako, to be them siko, Betenya Amdis Ibrahim Traore, the Niger guy. These are great people that you were a copy. Then you buy Chahanbe, buy you bari, in the person the Kabi.
Yeah.
The Kabi Amna Gache man Bumak, because the Kabi never did them. te bari dëkk bi nu meloon bu ma fa jóge woon ba léegi moo fa am mbalit bi taw bi
def delloo gannaaw sa joobis dëkk bi
absolutely mi ngay delloo gannaaw with Barrow is delloo gannaaw because ñoom Barrow they are like bushfire Fatoumata Bah Barrow baaxul Fatoumata Bah baaxul mais yow
mooy problème bi
Fatoumata Bah nekk di sàcc bari na te ñii dañ leen believe ne léegi sax ñu leen naa jéema cover because they feel that they have some landmark in the country.
Yeah.
We are all Gambian. I don't go koina judo si ala. For muntu judo Gambia soil be more important. Everything else is just something that we all built together, which is the capital. We are all from Banjul because you're Banjul and Jange. It's our capital. Yamajil. For muna jel ni take off and cover because of family and stuff. Do muna neka or partisan and shit. Let every Gambian be ready. Purunga Jema take the responsibility. Muy Sapati leader, muy whoever work there. Because coffers in nothing. Let us be real here though. Man, I don't even cover Jema side some lines, some more than that when it comes to Gambia and its less of virginity or what. Today, Gambia has been taken away by this dirty ECOWAS Gelenile. Haleyangi Fofuno, the young soldiers from outside. Dugasi Dekabidi, the harassing Jigeni Felenile. The dirty one,
Dogumala, you have brought a very sensitive issue here about these ECOWAS forces. Legi, Nyana Neka di Fei ECOWAS soldiers. Where is this budget coming from?
Partly Gambia moy fay ECOWAS soldiers $1 billion di len di sign back. Yambaro mo len jël di sign back. Mo len di fay. You understand? Fayuñ len dollars, fayuñ len CFA dollars lañ.
Dollars FA, wow.
US dollars. Senegalese authorities yu leen na gis ni ñoo yépp. ñoom ñëpp yaa by behind ECOWAS ñu ngi leen a fay dollar Fatoumata Bah Barrow mus laa gis Gambien bu nekk ginnaaw fu muntu dem ponkali njooli 3 meters ñoo koy toppa and they are all not Gambia loolu is very undone ñun who are we that we cannot take over our own seat though man mo laajte loolu leen Gambia should have been ready for themselves after ECOWAS we needed but then after man believe naa ne after 6-7 months we could have been strong enough to take over our own charge though and then get rid of all of these soldiers out of the country waaye li ñu def mooy dañ leen fa bàyyi Barrow di def lu ko ne xam nga let me tell you guys one thing though everything ñun luñ bëgg a am loo bëgg a tali bi jox la ko loo bëgg a soo génnee si mbedda bi am ko waaye ñun dañ def foog ne Jobis waxee ne génne na maa ngi inside violence and all that no I'm not I'm just trying to tell the government that ñun we are not your and you shouldn't be us but again ñun ñoo leen jóobu foofu leen exactly they are for our own well-being and all of that su fekkee ne da ngay feel like ne yéen because of the power you calling yourself which is us ne moom ngeen a use pour touch ñu loolu yu si ñoo ko war a mun a bañ definitely bare ngeen bàyyi di liyante like don ku nekk bu mu nekk ci lu ko neex rek comme naa ne well let me just work on that who cares about what Joey's old lion is doing no yow gisal Gambia bi ne rek ñun suñ doom yi ëllëg ñu inherit loo xamante ne it will different men ak yow ak lion living outside honestly lolu it should be graduated by now honestly we don't need it anymore you understand no we need Gambia and let me add this to Dabo I was listening I thought ne lawyer Dabo must have had maybe grab a good chunk of Yahya Jammeh's nakalenka resource and I also you thought ne Dabo also have involved in Mighty Cross when he was what he was with Barrow. Why yet Barrow munuma jox ben evidence. Man man yow yeen munu joxul ma dara. Ay domam la
thank you ki li mo dama like la nak dal day wax dëgg
suma jigéen la suma sista la xam na ma mu ngi Atlanta faale wu ma yooyu leen yëpp waaye Barrow si boppam amul dara si Dabo su fekkee ne nag fii ba November next year January Barrow indilun ma benn evidence of Dabo lu mu def ak lu mu wax si biir government am billahi wallahi ay Jobis will go behind Dabo exactly loolu moom mun naa leen ko wax waaye until that léegi man maa ngi toog leen di xaar rek this is something that I want to pass let them also know now they are coming this is September it's about to come the responsible grouping biñ doy def ci hotel bi fii over whole of a flight of Gambian to just attend this UN summit must end yow dëkk boobu nga nekk Ireland the representative come only 3 people ñoom ñetti tubaab they don't even need it because when you come here ñoom ñooy take charge of your security so why Adama Barrow is bringing over 60 people 40 people here for
te dañ dee smuggle nit ñi because the disaster management director bi coordinator bi Sana Dahaba musoon naa jël xaalis si benn jigéen mu ne ko dinaa la toppatoo visa su ñoo dem America UN summit ñu dugal la si plane bi nga fay ma xaalis this is a senior civil servant who is dining and wining and a sponsor of NPP Sana Dahaba te ñu ngi dégg ay scammers yi ni all these scammers that are scamming Gambian people pour ñu am visa tukki they are all associates of NPP and Barrow is aware of this so loolu moo tax xale yi génn ñu ne we want transparency and accountability léegi Barrow ministre bi moo jóg mu ne they are coming to counter
Mr. Sedi doguma la nga ne Barrow is aware of all of this bi nga ko waxee sax dama tiit he doesn't know billahi aware of okay ada boy ban duma xam Barrow I mean he doesn't know Adama muntu binda Adama ñun jël yépp
King Barrow because Billy Barrow at New York City, King was there with them. King knows. King knows lot. He knows lot.
Adam well before he was.
He knows lot about Adam Barrow and Fatuma Barrow.
Okay. Man, I know Fatuma Barrow went long time. Fatuma Barrow domam. Bule mata hawa huai. Suma jaha moko dan bambane. Why bule mata hawa huai fara.
Wow.
Wal King. Expose.
Man fale umaluma wa ak luma ni tope. Ya majeli. Fatuma Barrow. Mote government bi ci loo xamante ne du yoon Fatou dafa naxari deret te gars yi ñeme ñuñ ko
dafa soxor
te xamul lu moo def te ñëpp papa gi yaay ak maam whatever lañ ko dee ooyee and then she pretend like she know what she doing She doesn't know nothing.
Fake.
You could
She's
just
fake. She's fake.
this mantle more in charge because of Barrow nekut fa. Barrow mungo ko take si nek mu nelaw 24 hours du fa joge. Ya imagine. So koku nakalam la muna waxe lan la government nek di daw. So it's not right. Imagine. Yaya Jammeh bi degala am ñun ñepp ang koy whatever. Billahi. Am nga poop.
Wow.
Ubi Jammeh mo gën Adama Barrow. I swear to my mother. Wallahi day Yaya Jammeh mo gën Barrow.
I'm sorry because the office he is occupying, the office is a respectful office. Why Yaya Jammeh honor ko fi mune Adama Barrow mbam la.
Which is true though. Yaya Jammeh this is you know mbam la xel bi lam la wax. Barrow du mbam waaye daf laa ne xeli mbam lam amee. Adama nekkut fa. Gambia ni añ leen understand lu leen. Waaye suñu demee ba nga xamante ne man tamit amuñ dara lu ñoo choose. Lu pull and pull moo fi nekka. Knock and knock me. And then I will go behind the majority. Man majority bi moo ma arrangé. Man activist la.
King ñu la ñaan ñëwal nga join UDP ñu
yow da nga yàq xamadi yow
no I'm King yow you know you are a very conscious person da nga gis dëgg bi
is why nañ am independent minded people tamit because so moo wax ni he is neutral but all what he said he's talking about quality of leaders here about Darboe and then this kind of independent minded people we need them even in UDP because they have to criticize what we cannot say. They can say it respectfully. So Lumwafi Darboe got very good credit because every single Gambian was waiting. What corruption is he going to be involved in? Ken Yusuf, and he holds a responsible position.
I am still questioning Barrow until January 15 next year.
Exactly.
If he didn't have any or tangible evidence about Darboe's involvement in any corruption practices, Jobis, I will defend Darboe. And I will
King, trust me. There's nothing. King,
when I was told the fuck corrupt, Kimokodonwa, Sumasos,
wow.
And I believe that guy. Mota manak Rohi dundoye jubo. Man, I have respect for Rohi. I did not hate Rohi. And I will never hate Rohi. I met Rohi's husband here in New York, and I've been knowing Rohi's husband. When I saw him, say they can't have nako. Yamajeli. Want to not lim involved. It's it's the worst corruption in the history of this country. One that garbage, whatever they call it, container in China. If you want to buy, let's say 100 pieces, then you could get it for $10.
$10.
In a wholesale form. If you want to buy one piece, probably 15. In China, nothing is expensive. Unless you want to make it expensive. The plane costs $150 something in Gambia, wherever they got it. Lulu is a kickback to the family. From my brother. Yo, Yanko, your contra Lulu conflict of interest, la Lulu bounce. So, for my gomlone rohi dafa clean. Well, Yanko, yeah, fine. You why man is right.
It's very sad. Lulu. It's very, very sad because we clapped for Rohi. We promoted Rohi. We thought that okay, such things will not happen. Okay, anyway, we are waiting for the final findings. Look, commission with the work. But it me.
Why attestation?
We have to wait for the final.
But even
money. My add for a little bit. Commission Banco line.
Yeah.
I am not deaf. And I was rightly looking at them. Pointing and questioning. I was there listening whole night.
Yeah.
Ndax xam nga kii mu ne ko xam naa ko suma lii la mu ne ndax yéen a ko jox contrat bi mu ne waaw mu ne lu tax ñu ne ñun ñoo ko jox naka ngeen jëndee lii nii lañ ko jëndeele man maa ko dégg kenn waxuma man ban finding
procedures King you are right the procedures
waaye yéen daal dégg
su fekkee ne we want to be truthful to ourselves
yes
su fekkee ne the procedures su fekkee ne central government su ñoo def procurement def dee am ju jaaj So to fake any mom tamit definitely we have to come out and then condemn it. We don't have to support it. Definitely, limo digga. But
legi Mr. Saidi, man mun ngeen ma bay man suma condemnation bi ma continue ko and it's okay. Then tamit mun ngeen a xaar be commission bi ñëw with the findings and all that.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
Why ma batay money, thank you. And then Youngs Daba too, we will praise him here. Because all right, this now mu wax ni sàcca. You cannot be a thief and at the same time nga nekk a leader. I Jobis, I have attacked the Youngs many times. I even call him out at the tribalist person. Anger and all of that. You know why? Because I want to know him. Why somebody may be this mom dega mom tamit mu buga leadership in Gambia man ma joko. Man man nobody.
No,
I don't care who you are.
Independent people like
you understand? Man, I am there with a clean person. You have to be clean. Let's also the responsibility for Nijema at least copy from our neighbors who are just very you come up with a very great ideas, right? Why did the likes of Toure, the Maligai, Dumbaya, and come on, bro. Holland Senegal, Holland Sonko, man. Holland Pro, Lumneka di Ligue. Why Holland Gambia, Lumneka di every day such a burray.
Billahi.
Come on, you fele mbari chagayang fa. Swim foreign service be the same thing.
The same thing.
Why yala lang? You think yala we pray? What are you guys praying? Land yon lolen di nyan yala munango, yala dunango, yala neku Gambia right now. Because they got nyan amul Mr. Saidi. Hamala na am. You gotta be honest. You gotta be truthful. That is the right prayers there. Let them talk, but then you mix on you.
Start by yourself.
Bula ken jël dula jugal ci yana nonsense. You understand? Ci leader bu muna ne. Yo naka nga muna toge nek leader. Sa family wor la aduna bi yep wor la. Ñi jël la di la brand as a corrupt person.
That's
Barrow is not only corrupt, Barrow def human sacrifice. Man lolu is cool. Ñana ray policy. Sebin okay, that's the main our own brother Bojang. He is under a very critical condition right now.
Thank you, bro. Billahi.
How long they've been torturing him?
Billahi.
That guy will just wake up from one morning and aiming to just go and kill some cops and stuff, though. I don't think that makes sense to me, though.
Definitely.
What profit, what benefit does that Bojang must have had? Pour muy muna dem di jello len di rey. Waye Gambien bangi tok.
Jobis. Gis nga Fettel. If target lu dey move, it have to be a very professional person ku dey shoot target mu laal ko target be the move.
Thank you.
He doesn't own any gun and there is no record ne ki musonna jenda gun. Ibrahima Ji Sankare gena fen mune koku
rebel goro la biram bobu nonu melni ku bir
billahi
man sonna Sankare dafa bir de.
No, this is a disgrace. The Barrow, I think Barrow should sack all these people because these gallant police officers that they kill, they are innocent. They are working for the country. Who killed the cops? And they are telling that Ousainou Bojang, an innocent person, say them begin a mune, you talk, bu li affaire begin si social media, Ousainou Bojang feka, Ousainou Bojang munge talk, nyoko won sa, koku hamut lolu. Hey, no. I'm telling you.
Barrow cannot sack a minister because Barrow did not employ a minister. Barrow never employed a single minister. Minister government between themselves, they sit down with the advisors and select among themselves the person that fits their cabal. That's how they employ them. Adama Barrow then could inform Nako, we have this guy and then he should be okay. Alaji Sise, Gor Omar Faye, Yamadega, Fatoumata Babaro, whatever you call it, doctor, whatever.
Tangara
right now, I really don't have much to talk about until the commission come of it because he's out. He's out thinking that I don't know why he's out. He was out because of a feeling the Amuda that relationship with some of the guys in Hamantine, they were maybe installing due to some political interest. Moy ñu démé ni alakali gaay ci biir ak yena ci jigéen yi wax na dëgga I believe Why because of the international job, that's why it's not. The job that he was doing was better. Definitely involved in a lot of corruption.
You know, I respect Tangara. I respect Tangara for one thing. Tangara has seen that under his ministry, he has no respect. Nobody respect him.
Thank you.
Subordinates were coming.
Which is true though.
His subordinates were coming, attacking that honorable office, putting that office so low. Some of our ambassadors were at their embassies just to be there.
Mr. Sedi.
Nam.
The family subway be dropped now. In
Drop
the government of Yaya Barrow.
Yeah.
If he not in good time with the first lady, you will pack and leave next morning.
Yeah.
I don't know what Tangara must have done to her, or maybe they have just clashed for some reason. First lady, moi ko xamanteni bula lay da nga am pour dem. Bula lay ge dañ la jël elek.
Yeah.
Ma jël.
Yeah.
Security mi do len biñ mus di nek Gambia. Ay ponkali Malien Sénégalais bu nek 3 meters nga dé gis ci ginaaw. Mom mo xam lu tam mu dé def yoy len. Suñ dé tukki ñoñu lañ dé andal. Because ñi amna lu ñoo noba. They are hiding.
Yeah. Obviously.
Every ministry house bogus in the Gambia is its own body, its own everything. Nobody is here to talk about anything against them or against that particular leader or minister. From health to, there are many houses that would have been changed, that would have kicked, but then they refuse because of something. The relationship. The reason why I get some at the is because of Jara. They believe in Barrow this time that I win 72% of the votes and stuff like that. So let's leave that somebody there. The likes of Sukushingati, bodybuilding in the Sabali, the same thing. Yeah, gaming, mom access time. Fuck need moms for no training. So my sister be fairly banned.
Suku na affaire ambi nyunyoko report Senegal because Suku is one of those people you did them Senegal the easy voters. Senegal, they are having a very serious government.
Suku mom transporter la.
Suku, lola def ya jamme. So Barrow, hanga Suku luta mudem NPP. Suku was a very close person to Lawyer Darboe. Baramoda.
Not really. Not really.
Luta mudem because Suku bumjoge APRC UDP la nyon. So luta mudem. Suku was having issues with AMRC. Then you are nangu kerami.
Yeah, that's true.
No, I'm telling you. Because they twist Suku's hand and put it on his back. You have to join or we victimize you.
So, Mr. Say this, and you watch this land issue. The family Barrow because of Barrow was doing this local market. Land selling and all of that. They used to camp around my shopkeeper area. I know a lot of old dads, including Barrow. That was Nyolo concern ligay. When you been intergovernment, Ahmad Ba Barrow, they were just attacking our reserve lands.
Yeah.
Nyom forest neka fufusa funeka nyinge attempt to hit ko. Where Jammeh left, Jammeh did not touch them. But why you call Jammeh resources as an individual own? Jammeh's resources belongs to the Gambians. That is why I give the likes of Gala, and I cannot end this program without saluting them. Because I don't really bigger lane, to Mr. Jallo, a group and be back.
Yeah.
These are people that we should praise, we should support, and let us not sideline ourselves, because of this pressure group. This is for a Gambia, not for any political party. Gala is just real Gambia against looted assets. That is clear there.
Ministers even they're supposed to join Gala. They're supposed to join Gala, put their money in Gala to sponsor this group to be there. Because as long as they refuse to acknowledge anti-corruption commission, let Gala be the anti-corruption.
Gala, I believe the international community with Nalen support.
No, honestly,
because they're following them. They everything that we share here, it's as fast as to read, and they know we write English. We don't write French.
Yeah.
So the sponsors and our allies of the West, well, they know in Gambia there's problem though. How many times that Donald Trump come some words to sonal against the current government there?
Billahi.
Trump will call him whatever.
Why? Donald Trump invite African serious government be mu ngee ñaan pour Ibrahima Traoré ñaan naa la ñëwal suma dëkka kooku mu ne duma ñëw mu ñaan Jomay dem waaye bu faate Adama Barrow lu xew
because xam na Barrow Trump xam na ne Barrow nekkut fa Trump American they have people that are very scientifically like high. They could tell when someone is not right. The reason why I even posted something, I don't know if you follow me or not. I posted something that I was trying to describe how I know Barrow behavior, because one of my friends is a doctor here. So I was telling him about Barrow. Munima give me how he behaves. Indecisive. Daf dey nelaw a lot. Eat big. And su nelawee du daf dey naxari daf dey easily fàtte. You sit with him, you don't expect ne moom loolu mën na ko fàttali ko in the next 40 minutes. De Adama Barrow
tamit su dee wax def dey agitate.
Daf dey ba pare. Soo fa jege ñee sax da ngaa dem sangu because dafa put la réglé wut. Mr. Seydi réglé waaye Mr. Seydi nga la yow thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dina kontaan trop pour follow la.
Thank you.
Bul nangu nag sa waaji boole la ak Fatou Camara.
No.
Bandi la. Fatou jigéenam la. Ma ne sa nit ki danga ko dee gis Fodé Jaw la.
Fodé Jaw la.
Ñaa
ko gis de. Mo xam nga
mo ngole mu kurum.
Wow, behind keyboard rek.
Koku mo gina nekk bandi. Thank you.
I know.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you very much, Kinjo.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You've given life to the show. It was a great show, and we definitely enjoy your company. And thank you. You are an experienced person, and we love such kind of people, independent-minded people, because UDP is not a perfect political party. We have our issues, we have mistakes, we have people there who did mistakes. Even though if we see that, okay, they have done something wrong, if we cannot speak it openly, we have to invite the open-minded people to speak, because this is all, and it's all about Gambia. We see that you are an independent person, perhaps PDOIS, you can send in and join. This is an open platform. We tolerate everything. It's only that we don't tolerate insults. You can say whatever you say. We know that it is going to be your own responsibility. So you are welcome. If you think that, okay, UDP is not the solution or somebody else is the solution, you are kindly welcome. We are brothers. At the end, what we see is the Gambia for everyone. So we are not here to argue or to fight. What King Joby said about Lord Mayor Rohim Ali Klo, he spoke his mind, and we have said to him, okay, we are waiting until the commission findings finish. The way the procedures are done in procurement, we have seen something that is wrong. We cannot say that Rohi has a personal interest in it. That one, we cannot speak about that. But if something is wrong, wrong is wrong. We are trying to talk to Gambians to tell them UDP is a party of everybody. UDP is a party of transparency and accountability. UDP is a no-go area for corruption. So when somebody among us is saying that, okay, somebody is kind of corrupt in your political party, yes, it is hard to hear, but we have to leave the independent-minded people as well to speak their mind, as long as they don't insult. Yes. So Nicola Bass, you can join in. You can send in requests. We will allow you to join and then say what you want to say and why you think that UDP and NPP is the same. This is a very unfair statement, Nicola Bass. This is a very unfair statement. UDP is not NPP. UDP government was never in that country. UDP had 3 state ministers. Only 3 state ministers. And among these ministers, nobody was found guilty of being corrupt. None of them. So we have to be, at least we have to be straightforward people. And I believe you are a God-fearing person. So that's it. Yeah, Nkana. Okay. Thank you very much for your coming. And King Joby's Fanamba, Tankla Bake is a brother.
No, King Kayateka,
he's love. Come and then he atele experience on tel beti on this social media and then
struggle ko na kata je ba kale
so
still
love I nanang as
yeah.
his younger brother I am guide
Mm.
and then we will let him speak whatever he want to speak because as long as Abuka Moneng Jobi King Jovis is a real patriotic.
Yeah, yeah.
He
Yeah.
loves the country
Yeah.
and okay, Nicola Baz, I understand you are driving, but it's not a problem. Maybe next time, please do join.
Go, Musa, ana si la buko sa I'm driving. Mo driving na
Left up
yakas.
he's
Ni mo sifal be ni mel ni mo sifal la hali ila musoli ebule la kala UDP la. So, you know, sifal go.
I will tell him he's a brother.
You know.
Want change in that country. I feel Nicola Baz Fanang, he will have a feeling that is a Gambia, the way Gambia is going, he would like a change. So the only thing is, who is closer to give change? It's UDP. Nicola Baz, come and have discussion. Discuss with UDP. Bring your doubts. Let us clear your doubts for you. Even if it what us call executive for connect whatever is your doubt, you can speak it. You don't trust UDP to become a government. Because UDP, but look at these charismatic leaders. The lives of Hussein Udabo.
These people there.
UDP you can count. Take an example of the council. Now, Yakuba Dabo, over how many hundreds of people he paid for scholarship?
Go, our life letter, youngster,
okay, Nicola Baz sent a request. Talib Suda, how many scholarship did he give? Talib gave here 20 million to youth entrepreneurs. Those youth entrepreneurs now they are even employing other youths. You know, so Sister, Nicola Baz loves to join Lalenak. He's at Kane. I join. Then he can also come and then speak. We know maybe some of the people in UDP might not like his comment, but he's an independent person.
So now that I'm on the UDP more than it's all good. You know, comment.
Nicola Baz,
he's free to come and criticize UDP. That's normal, you know. Yeah.
My good friend also, Babgar Bahum, if you are watching, send him requests.
No, platforms here.
No, but that's more of it. No more, but in advice, and guy go Nendiro today, Ila Politico. Kana aluneng. Yalong ala atefawala ala dad banta nga programo kaja nga dad la sango kondong duatae ngai ko kana and wande alfalne. You see last time while Ginio ko ya offendle ya Bama min banta ya saki, you spoke something bad about Wali. You see, few days itafana na alpha banta, but Wali never Wali tetela alpha sakila. Wali be duale la alpha. You see, so
iko hani jaw ibuka saya dua ibuka sa mbele kunna no yeah
sa dua
mbele kunna menta baila kan yeah
no
yeah barang ye mulai ta kontela mulai badunga musa thank you very much
no all back
era nalo time you know
yeah okay thank you sister Nicola, I want definitely Puriye join nunak. I'm trying. Telephone is trying to add you. Male be muntolto. Where are you? Koriman trakia. Labi sama teolia. Febe jara le balang kote olia. Be add candidate. Ni arne be jara le be sella yiro le santo. Puriye suti asam filo. Well, I decline. Okay, Nicola Baz, I think maybe we will make it another time. So, ngal tentungal jay. Congratulations, Chairman Yankuba Dabo, ala motobal, futatana motobal, mili alonko, they're going to serve the people of West Coast. Yankuba Dabo, Benila Council, mbal tentula back the good job that Albe Minkeka. So, Gambian call, wala na party leader afale ako. Na lafta UDP mansa kundala kolulonna ali na local government olu jube what they are doing. This our local government, they are not local government minuli alonko ni UDP campaign kanai kela kodo dunije. No, they are serving the people. Kodo nyi ka murundi wo molle kan. Albebe commission olu jube kan. Muna na sa geology Yo over 33 million o mindi no sir fo sonkala muna na geology madi yankuba dabola I mantra ka di yankuba la I balanta ka subvention o jo yankuba ya I balanta ka jo talibia I balanta ka jo landia I balanta ka jo rohia so geology felendi kote ke manso na ka kodo di nyila anu hansa geology ibela do ko ga bar central government malaf nyinule do ko ke bar nyinul ba kataka ik alkal la namun dingol minul jo they are doing their best for you. This is what UDP is all about. So ala baraka bag ngal tentu ngal jay diaspora viva Lamin Jay. This is UDP. Don't lie, don't steal. Thank you very much, Mustafa Suso. Don't lie, don't steal is the new slogan for all UDP people. Mu slogan o dembe yankuba tentu la slogan kendo mi fana asambana mba tentu la bake